What's up? Anushka joined. Hi, Anushka. Hi, Varun. Sudh is here. Okay, wow. I'm so happy to see that other than all of you guys, my friends are also here. Mehak is here. Oh, I can actually see. Wow, I've not come live after uh, this Instagram changed the entire live thingy. But anyway, hi, what's up, everyone? I know it's been a very long time, and I know there are a lot of things to talk about. I know that I'm answerable to a lot of things, and actually, I'm not answerable to anything, but like, there are a lot of questions. There are a lot of messages जिनका जवाब मैंने नहीं दिया है और जिनका जवाब मुझे देना है. So I was on a I kind of did not feel like being active on Instagram, so I took a day off today. And then I think in the evening, my mom just told me that why don't you go live today? So अब हाई कोर्ट से आ गया था ऑर्डर, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम लाइव जाएं. एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट. I hope you all are keeping safe, and I'm gonna start this live session. I'm gonna start taking all of the questions that are there because I know कि बहुत सारी बातें हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं करने वाली. So let's get started with this. Okay. Yes, I've chopped my hair short. It's been some time that I've chopped my hair. I know काफी लोगों के mixed reviews थे इस चीज को लेके कि आपने बाल क्यों काट दिए and stuff. But it's mostly like I had colored my hair so much कि अब वो नीचे से बिल्कुल dead हो चुके थे. So I just thought why not chop it off. So yeah. All right. The one question that I've not been talking about on social media, but I think that it needs to be addressed once and for all so that everybody knows. So, Abhinav Datta was my real brother. We were siblings. He was my elder brother, and he passed away in a bike accident. He was on a trip with his friends near in Himachal, and it did not happen there. It happened while he was coming back. It was a it wasn't a road accident, but it wasn't like he got hit with a car or anything, but like his bike slipped and he fell off the bike, and that's how he passed away. uh, I don't think that there is anything more that I can say to this. But yeah, I think that इतने टाइम से मैंने नहीं बोला है, so you all deserve to know what happened, and that's that. So yeah. Oh, this is hard, but okay. I think most of the questions are regarding my brother only. Yes, there was this question a lot, was also there a lot of times कि तुम्हारे भाई को मरे हुए 1 महीना नहीं हुआ है, तुम्हारे भाई को मरे हुए इतना टाइम नहीं हुआ है, and you came back on Instagram and all of that. I think a similar kind of thing happened with Divya also because her father passed away as well. But I feel that everybody has their own way of coping with things, and my brother would never want me to stop doing what I do, and this is my work. This is what I do. So, also to keep my head away from all of this, I had to be involved somewhere, and being involved in my work is, I think, the best thing that I could do, and that's exactly what I did. And I don't think that is anybody is supposed to tell me if there's a specific grieving period और उसके बाद ही आप normalcy में आ सकते हो. I think I bounced back into normalcy pretty quick, and that's what I wanted because I wanted to be a strong person for my family, for my mom, for my dad, and yeah, I mean that's that. Archita is saying Abhinav would never want you to stop. I know, Archita, and that's exactly what we did. So that's there. Also, I feel कि आप कितना भी ये वाली बात बोल दो कि we're there for you, we understand your pain, XYZ, whatever. but you can never come into into the shoes that the other person is until and unless it hasn't happened with you. And so I don't think that it's right. I might be wrong and I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि जब तक आप वहां पे नहीं हो तब तक you don't have a say in it. So that's that. And I've not taken it to my heart any which ways. जितने भी लोग comment करते हैं every now and then, I just look at it and I'm like, I just let it go. But I'm just saying this once and for all that, you know, it's better if you don't make it difficult for the other person, because they're already they're already grieving and they're already dealing with a lot of trauma, and you commenting stuff like that is not helping at all. So yeah, that's that. Thank you, Mehak. Mehak says, you go girl, you're so strong. Thank you, Mehak. Thank you so much. I'm reading all of these side by side. Your brother was very smart. Oh yes, indeed, he was very smart. I remember मेरे school time पे all of my girl friends used to tell me that, oh wow, ये तेरा भाई है, उस पे line वाइन मारते थे सब लोग. So that's just a funny story that I remember from my school days. Yeah. What else? In your pictures and captions, alrighty. In your pictures, captions are always related to someone. Please reveal the name. I think this is not one person that I'm talking about. That does not mean that I'm involved with a lot of people. But I feel that different captions are supposed to be pointing fingers at different people, and now that's for them or for everybody else to figure out. And sometimes they're not pointing at anyone. So like that's that. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार किसी के लिए हो, but yes, sometimes they are. Okay. I'm just checking all of these messages that you all have sent me. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. How did you convince your parents for what you are doing in your life, especially your professional life? I think I just had to sit and talk to them about it, and it made things really better. One question that I always have to answer, but pata nahi, matlab, I really don't know what to say about this, but I know that there has been a talk about me coming in a Bigg Boss since a while now, and I would love to be a part of the show, but for now ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So that's that. आपने अपने बाल comb नहीं किए? Yeah, I mean I've just hopped out of the shower, and that's that. Oh, I see so many people joining the live, and I'm so happy to see कि मैं इतने वक्त के बाद दोबारा live आई हूँ. And trust me, this wasn't easy, because yes, things have changed after, you know, such a big loss in our family. I have changed as a person, and things have been pretty stressful here and there. But coming live and talking about it on my social media with everybody, and with people pointing fingers and all of the questions, it was a little difficult. And I've been planning to come live since a while, but I had to gather all that, you know, because I know it takes a lot of balls to come and talk about it. So I had to gather a lot of strength to come and do this. But I think now I was ready, and so that's what I did. And yeah. Alrighty. What other shows do you feel like doing? Okay, I think we have a very interesting question here. Ruhi Dosani is asking me, ma'am, do you have a boyfriend, ma'am? No, I don't have a boyfriend, and I don't have a girlfriend, and I'm super single in my life. So hit me up. Hi. DM me. I don't have any DM chicks or DM guys, so I'm waiting. By the way, just a small cute shout out to Ruhi Dosani here. I have I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm trying to pin her. I'm gonna pin her question though. So for everybody else who don't know who Ruhi Dosani is, I should actually not say it. Y'all should go and check Ruhi's page. She is hilarious. She's one of the most funny female influencers that you'll see around, and I personally love her. So please go ahead and give a look to this amazing, amazing woman. And I'm sending so much love to you, Ruhi. Such a cutie. And I'm calling you like right after that. Right after this. Fuck. Okay. आप अभी कहाँ रह रहे हो? So I keep traveling Bombay, Delhi. I'm basically in Delhi right now, which is where my family lives. My mom, dad, my grandparents. But I also keep shifting to Bombay. Like I keep traveling back to Mumbai because that's where most of the work is. And it's good, like every now and then changing zones. So yeah. What about this? What about this? Oh, what about this hoodie? Yeah, this hoodie belongs to. I mean, I'm sure y'all have already trolled me on whose hoodie this is, but yes, this hoodie belongs to King. So if you're here, King, hi, what's up, Arpan? क्या चल रहा है? Yeah. Other than this, are you committed? नहीं यार, मैं इतनी single हूँ life में. It's been such a long time. I feel that I really should, like, you know, I should consider dating in life, because it's been a while that I've actually dated, and trust me, I'm not a fan of the single life. Like, so yeah, I mean it's good like this as well, but I think it's better when I think I'm a better version of myself if I'm in love. So yeah, that's that. What's your next tattoo? Oh yes, it's been a while that I've actually went to the studio. It's been a while that I've actually got myself inked. I've not designed something in such a long time that I really want to go to the studio again. And like, I think this chunk of my hand is left. Other than that, I think the entire portion's filled. So I think I'm gonna think about something new, and then I'm gonna hit the studio very soon. So Varun, if you're here and if you're watching this, I am coming बहुत जल्दी. Once things get a little better, because the COVID situation in Delhi is getting really serious now, like, you know, and plus I have old folks at my place, so I really don't want to risk it, like, you know. What's your nickname at home? Okay, like, this is something that I have not told a lot of people, but yes, I mean, I don't think that I would actually want. I'm usually not called by my own name mostly. I barely have people in my life जो मेरे को आरुषि बुलाते हैं. Everybody is just calling me Datta all the time because the surname's like that. But I think other than that, I've been called Aru a lot because that's like a smaller version of my own name. And my nickname at home has always been Nannu. I know it's a name that doesn't suit my personality at all. But like, yeah, I mean, the cuter side of me is called Nannu at home. So now next time y'all see me, if you say Nannu, I'm gonna, you know, turn back and notice that, because that's my nickname. I'm actually not following this new season of Roadies, so usse related jitne bhi question hai, I really want to answer them, but I've not been following this season, even though there are a few people that I know are doing pretty good. Like I know Kevin, I know Arushi, I know there's some people that I know. There's Hamid, there's Dr. Pratibha, because she was in the last season. So I know a few people and I see their stories every now and then, like here and there. But I'm not really following the season, so I don't have clue. Oh, hi Kanu Didi. And और कौन है? Hi Simran, what's up? When is your birthday? My birthday is about to come, just FYI. So, which I'm really not